Welcome back, guys, to Cook Secrets. My name's Mark. Don't forget, like and subscribe our channel. Today is the second video of our particular quick skill series, and we're going to cook some beautiful rice. So a lot of people say to me, how do you cook rice? It's dead easy. This is a foolproof recipe, and it's very aromatic and quite delicious to eat. All right, so our first step is what we've got. We've got some nice sliced red onions. I've got some garlic puree here, some chopped cardamom. So that's just the seeds. I've given a bit of a chop up. A little butter. Over here, we're going to heat the pan. So get your pan on. We want it a little bit warm, and we're going to add just a touch of olive oil in there. Give it a moment to heat up. We've also obviously got half a kilo or 500 gram of Basmati rice. So letting that heat, and I sort of line up my ingredients on the chopping board like this because it's nice and easy, because it reminds me what order to put it in. Let's go. All right, so let's get the onions cooking away. Give them a few minutes, and I'm going to add the garlic. Then I'm going to add the cardamom seeds that we've chopped up. And we're just going to give them a bit of a roast. Won't need long. Just allow those flavour to sort of come out from the spice. Nothing hard about that. Okay, next, so we've got, like I say, this is a litre jug, so half, basically fill half with basmati rice. I'm just going to add a touch more oil in there, just a sprinkle, and I pour in the rice, and then add a little spoon of butter, not too much, and we're just need to mix the rice around, coat it with the oil that's in the pan, let it warm up a bit, let the butter melt. Like so. Just so the rice is all nicely coated in the oil and the butter. Okay, so just fill up your jug right to the top. So we had half of rice. Now we've got a full jug of hot water, and all we need to do is bring that to the boil quickly. So we use hot water, so that's all going to happen very quickly. As soon as it comes to the boil, put a lid on. Here we go, beautiful, nice and quick. Then lid on. Really wait for it to go crazy in there when it's bubbling. And then see, we're on a high gas at the moment. We're just going to turn it down to the lowest possible, and we're going to cook that for 8 minutes flat. Fast forward 8 minutes, awesome. Just waiting for the buzzer to clock that 8 minutes. There we go. Just quick stop that for a moment. And so let's turn off the gas. We then give it a quick check so we can all see. There we have some really nice looking rice. So at this stage now, I'm just gonna let it stand for 10-20 seconds. Okay, let's go in and have a look, see how good we've done, Sam. Alright, so there we go. We can just fork the rice up, beautiful and fluffy and perfect. How easy is that? Don't have to stress about anything. As we allow it to stand for a minute or two before serving, all that moisture will sort of soak into the rice, and we can then serve up with whatever delicious dish you're going to make. Should we have another quick last look? So there we go, look at that. It's just perfect. Not sticking together, no clumps. Just beautiful. And the cardamom spice really does add a nice little bit of flavour in there. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this quick skill. Don't forget, please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. We really appreciate you watching. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.